Hi, and welcome back to the July edition of the Mully Reserve Edit. Today I'm excited to show you 4 pieces for today's edit, but also they're going into some of the reserve boxes. First item that we'd like to show you is our Penfold Heritage Shoe Bag. So, founded in the late 1920s, Penfold was one of the original tastemakers in golf. Players use their golf balls such as Seve Ballesteros, Gary Player, Nick Faldo, and even Sean Connery's James Bond. Fun fact there if you've ever seen Goldfinger. This is made of British Malarian Tech Wax canvas. So British Malarian is a super high quality canvas fabric. Obviously, like most shoe bags, it needs a spot for your shoes to breathe so they're not stinky. It's also accompanied by full grain leather. You can see the nice Penfold logo on the bottom. Very sizable bag. You can just tell, getting a little closer, looking at the details, this is a really quality product, and it's actually probably the best seller on our pro shop right now, which is pretty cool to see. It's got a side pocket for your accessories, just a super high quality product, and we're excited that this is also on our pro shop. Just an overall piece that if you show up to the course, you're gonna look like a guy who knows what he's doing. Next on our list is gonna be Ollie dough. I would imagine many of you, unless you are deep into the internets like me and Jack, probably haven't heard of Ollie dough. It's an upstart brand based out of Texas. They kind of joke that it's farm to fairway. So 90% or more of the cotton, also known as Supima cotton, is coming from America. They use American cotton. Their overall viewpoint is that golf apparel is too focused on plastic-based fabrics. Olido believes the future of golf is going back to the roots. And I will be honest, I was a bit of a skeptic at first, but when you hold this cotton, not only is it giving you the breathability and the stretch that you look for in a polyester shirt, it is super lightweight and it feels great, it looks great. So I'm sold on it. They believe it's the future of golf is we're gonna go back to our roots. I don't see why not. I think there's also another cool element to this where you're not letting nasty chemicals as much, at least touch using natural cotton versus petroleum-based fabrics is kind of a win on that front too. So what's interesting, I mentioned that it's stretchy. So the way that they do that is they hollow out the cotton thread. So it's not just Supima cotton, it's modified so that it can give you the same stretch and performance that you get from polyester. So it's not just cotton, it's Olido. I would definitely check them out. Also in our pro shop, also shipping to some of our reserve members who do like that classic look. Go with another style accessory, which would be the WMP eyewear. In terms of bang for your buck, I don't think you can get anything better. So WMP Eyewear is another company that we met at the PGA show. Very impressive company. It's not like they're cheap sunglasses. They're done very well. They're just priced accordingly. At the end of the day, these don't feel any different. I've had Pradas, Gucci's, I've had Ray-Bans, I've had Tom Fords, every brand of sunglasses you can have. I lose a lot. These don't feel any different in quality. Style's not bad. This is a classic kind of tortoise look. Overall, just super quality sunglasses. One of the main reasons we like them is we're big on finding things that are priced fairly. I think these retail anywhere from, let's say, $60 to $80. So, but they're not cheap, if you know what I mean. They're not inexpensive sunglasses. They are pretty much just right. And overall, a brand I personally love. So these have been added to my rotation. Recommend you check them out as well. And last but not least is Arnie's. So Arnie's is a cool company, and I've got 2 products here from Arnie's. So Arnie's is connected to the late great Arnold Palmer. Portion of every order goes to Arnie and Arnold and Winnie Palmer's foundation. So this product is a muscle cream, and it's got 3,000 milligrams of CBD. There's also menthol and arnica. Don't know what arnica is if I'm being completely honest, but sounds cool. So the way this works, squirt a little bit into your hand. So you squirt it like that. That's the muscle cream, rub it in. I don't really have any sore muscles, so let's just put it on my elbow there. Feels great. I can smell the mint. Nice quality products. Again, this is one of those things where We met the founder, golf related. We like that, so they make golf related skincare products. Don't just like working with anyone. We like people who have a story. We like people with good packaging, attention to detail, and this brand, Arnie's, also fits all those qualities really well. So we have the muscle cream here and the mineral sunscreen. Gotta open this part. And we've got the mineral sunscreen here. See a dab of it. Again, I don't know, certain color, good or bad, you tell me, but see how it rubs in. Smells nice, smells natural. It's a mineral sunscreen. That would be Arnie's. And keep it short and sweet today. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quality products. And what's cool about this is that basically could be a Mully box right there. Polos retail for $120. This retails, I think, closer to $200 if I'm not mistaken. Sunscreen is like $20 to $40 for depending on which one of these you're getting. These retail for about $50 to $60 to $70. So the Mully box is $250. It's not a discount box. It's not for everyone. We understand that. We're no longer telling people, hey, spend $50, get $1,000 of value, because then we'd be sending junk to you. The reality is these companies that we're supporting, they are expensive products. They're expensive to make. So work with them. You are paying retail. Just the reality of the situation, what you're now paying for, obviously you're gonna save a little money bundling it together and giving our members good pricing. So you exceed the retail value, but also you have our team who takes a lot of time to understand these products, put this report together for me to be able to educate you on them. The why behind they go into the box, you're getting quality items that you're gonna love. So July Mully Edit, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.